Are we ready to have the conversation then about how to save? Okay. Would you mind kind of doing the coding part then?
Sure.
Um,
And the template too, we show people use the template.
For the mini lesson, okay. All right, so we're just going to shift here and have a little bit of dialogue about how to name and save your mini lessons for your calendar. So what we'd like you to do is first save it. The first part of the naming will be the standards code. The standards code followed by, maybe a 2 to 4 word description. Beth, could you give us an idea of what one of yours was?
One of mine was the LK1A, which is printing uppercase and lowercase letters.
Okay.
So I was going to have kindergarten and have that link and have that code right there. That code that's on the calendar sheet would immediately go to the
Okay.
lesson.
All right. All right. And so she's already ahead of us. But the coding part, the coding was just the short name, printing upper and lowercase. Okay. All right. So just something so that a teacher who's not you or who's not in your group would understand what that mini lesson was.
So the standard code is L first,
L for language,
dot, okay?
L dot grade
I'm
level,
gonna say fourth for Jens, 4, dot,
Dot,
and then the number of
and
the
then
standard.
number, yeah,
Okay,
it would be
so
a number and a letter.
1
Yeah.
C, maybe. Is it 1 dot C then?
No, it's
Just
would
1
be
C?
1A.
Oh, okay, 1
So
A.
if we looked at your example that you already had in the folder for our grade level, and the paper copy that you gave us, is that still the correct formula?
so mine is L dot 4 dot 2C.
Okay, and what was your teaching point again?
My teaching point, coordinating conjunction in a compound sentence.
What would you do then? Coordinating conjunction in a compound sentence of 6 words. What would you make your mini lesson?
I might just say compound sentence, because compound sentence means you have a coordinating conjunction. So I probably just would put the number compound sentence.
Okay, so L dot 4 dot 2C compound sentence is the name of the document.
Correct. So that's the name of the document when you save it as a Google Doc, and that's also how you'll label it in your calendar. So your calendar right now, some of the names in your calendars may be longer than that, and ideally they'll be the same. Is that
In some grade levels, so it's not just a number, and thinking about the audience beyond this work, so that they kind of get, oh, I know why they put compound sentence there. Okay, good. Now let's look at the lesson.
all right? And then Amy pointed out that in the Everyone folder, there's a mini lesson template. And so if you use that, it just ensures that you hit all those spots. So when I did mine, I went to that template, I copied it, and I just saved it in my own Google area, and then I put my lesson into that. I left some of the verbiage in there. It has some like sentence stems there. I left it in on mine, and you can see that in the on my paper copy. And Erin did not leave it in on hers. It's really up to you. I left mine in mainly because that way you could see that it came from the template. So that was probably more for this group than for the general population.